Hi, I'm English teacher Kebab. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about nouns in English. What is a noun? A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand and identify nouns and be able to use them in your sentences. A noun is a word that names someone or something. A person, a place, or a thing. Teacher is a person. I am a person. You are a person. School is a place. A phone is a thing. Nouns name people. Examples: teacher, student, doctor, mother, friend. Example sentences: my teacher is friendly. My mother is kind. The doctor is busy. Repeat after me. Teacher, student, doctor, mother, friend. Place nouns name places. Some examples: school, city, park, hospital, store. Example sentences: the school is big. My city is beautiful. The park is quiet. Repeat after me. School, city, park, hospital, store. Thing nouns. Thing nouns name things. Example: book, phone, table, car, computer. Example sentences: my book is new. My phone is old. The table is brown. Repeat after me. Book, phone, table, car, computer. Listen and repeat. My teacher is nice. The school is large. My phone is on the table. My city is busy. The doctor is helpful. Your turn. Pause the video and say one person noun, one place noun, one thing noun. Then make a sentence with each word. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, a place, or a thing. Examples: teacher, school, phone. Nouns are everywhere. Look around right now. What people, places, and things do you see? Write your answers in the comments. Thank you for studying with me. See you next time. Have a good day.